Yes, I am repeating again. Like for the distribution of profit, we prepare P&L appropriation account, and for P&L appropriation account preparation, we transfer net profit, and that net profit we always take from our P&L account. So whatever profit we are earning in our partnership firm, that profit we will be transferring here. I was telling you earlier also that if either you can write by net profit brought down, agar ye nahi likhna to you will be writing by P&L account, because afterwards I will be telling to you the journal entries. I am adopting intentionally the reverse procedure, otherwise पहले entries होती हैं बाद में ledger account होता है, but once it will be set in your mind, it will be very easy to understand the journal entries, right? So here I write to interest on capital, then I may have the salary. I will be putting the heading salary. मान लो सैलरी किसी एक ही पार्टनर को मिली है, that is B. I will be writing B. ठीक है, then I will be writing the amount here. उसके बाद that day also we have discussed कि commission B हो सकता है. For example, commission C को मिली है, तो I will be writing C. Here in amount column I will be writing the amount. Reserves अगर है तो you can write 2 reserves. Afterwards, you will be getting the total of your credit side. It will always happen that most of the cases your credit side will be greater than your debit side. So you will be earning the profit in that case. If the profit comes, loss तो कभी होने ही नहीं देंगे. अगर कभी loss का case होगा और debit side बड़ी होगी, that is a different case that is later on. And if the profit comes, that is to be divided between all the partners in their given profit sharing ratio. This is by profit and loss account done. We will be getting the total of this side. We will be having the profit. Then at the last, this is to be written at the last after commission, students. See the board. This is to profit transferred to. Transferred to. 2 के बाद I will be putting slash. And 2 is capital. जैसे in our sole proprietorship, we were giving the profit to our sole proprietor and we were passing the entry at the time profit and loss account debited to capital, right? यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? P&L appropriation account debited to capital. तो सारे पार्टनर्स को उनकी प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में मिल जाएगा. टू A is capital, टू B is capital. चाहो तो इनका रेशियो अप्लाई करके जो अमाउंट आती है इंटरनल कॉलम में लिखिए और बाहर ग्रैंड टोटल लिख दीजिए. चाहो तो जितना जितना इनको मिल रहा है वो भी आप अमाउंट वाले कॉलम में लिख सकते हैं. Right? It depends upon you how you present your data. Getting it? So this is the way. Done? Then, for example, I have 3 partners, so my third partner will also get the profit. Then we will be writing this amount over here, and we will be finding what? Already we have found the total. We will be balancing it. We will be writing the same total on both the sides, that is debit side and credit side. So this was the way. Now, before going with the illustrations of the back exercise questions relating to this distribution of profit, I just wanted to discuss the journal entries related to appropriation with you. Right? सबसे पहला स्टेप मैंने appropriation account को बनाने का आपको क्या बताया students? We take the profit from P&L account and we transfer it on the credit side of your profit and loss account. Right? Throughout your partnership, throughout your this book, you will be having the same entries, and I will be explaining each and every entry with the help of the logic. Like why it is being debited, why it is being credited, which accounting rule, which out of your 3 golden rules I am going to apply over here. Right? सबसे पहले you take the profit. So इस entry का heading है या narration है for transferring the profit from P&L account to P&L appropriation account. I must use the full wording, that is transfer of profit from profit and loss account to your profit and loss appropriation account, right? So let's transfer it. What entry I will be passing? P&L account में से profit कहाँ जाना है? P&L appropriation में जाना है, तो very easy way. Pass the entry profit and loss account debited. That's why I suggested you can write on the credit side not net profit, rather you can write also P&L account. Okay? So because this entry's logic states that profit and loss account debited to profit and loss This is what we call appropriation account. If somebody asks from you what is the nature of P&L appropriation account, obviously it is of nominal nature. Because on debit side we write all the appropriations, on credit side we write the income, and we do calculate profit or loss. Loss तो आमतौर पे नहीं आएगा. That cases we will be discussing as and when we will be proceeding further in this chapter, right? So this is transfer of net profit from P&L account to P&L appropriation account. Now first appropriation I made, that is interest on capital. दो एंट्रीज होंगी इसकी, दोनों को मर्ज करके आप एक एंट्री भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन पहले दोनों एंट्रीज को समझिए. As it is an appropriation, it is to be debited because this the firm is giving, this the firm is providing to the partner. So firm के point of view से ये एक तरह की appropriation है, and all appropriations we just debit. Right? It's not an expense I am debiting. It is an appropriation we are giving to someone. Okay, so I will be calling it interest on capital to partners capital account, because कोई भी चीज पार्टनरशिप में पार्टनर्स को कैश में नहीं मिलने वाली. We just make it due. ठीक है, हम उसकी कैपिटल को बढ़ाते जाएंगे. Throughout your partnership, you have to keep this thing in your mind. Anything that you give to your partner, that is to be credited to their capital. Anything which you take from your partner, that is to be debited from their capital. You will be reducing their capital when you want to take something from the partner, or partner is owing to the firm to pay for it. And sometimes, if the firm owe to the partner, means firm ने partner को कुछ देना है, so we will just be crediting to their capital. So this funda is to be stored in your mind permanent. Interest on capital to partner's capital. So hereby it can be to A's capital, my partner's name in my imaginary illustration, like I made when I made the P&L appropriation account earlier on the board. To B's capital, to C's capital, right? आगे चलते हैं. This entry's narration you will write being interest on capital due. Being interest on capital due. Due हुआ है, पे होता तो मैं to cash लिखती ना. अगर paid होता तो मैं लिखती interest on capital account debited to cash. But we never pay anything to our partners in cash because basically in theory the partners and the firm are separate, but basically both are same. So we are not going to make any payment to the partners in cash. We are just adding it to their capital. When the firm is going to be wind up, when the firm we are going to dissolve, जब firm बंद होगी तो ही partners को जो बचेगा वो cash में pay होगा. Otherwise we never make any payment to our partner in cash, right? This thing you have to store. Once again I am repeating the same sentence. Then transfer entry, because it is an appropriation, it is to be transferred to the P&L appropriation account. So और on the debit side है, अभी मैंने आपको ledger बना के बताया है. Profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital. It is always recommended that you have to learn these two entries, right? Or in your P&L appropriation account, you should write to interest on capital, then slash डाल के partners के नाम. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते तो कभी शॉर्टकट भी हम अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं. इस एंट्री में इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल क्रेडिट हुआ है, इससे पहली बार एंट्री में इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल डेबिट हुआ है. व्हाई नॉट टू स्किप? एक बार डेबिट करके दूसरी बार क्रेडिट कर दिया, खत्म ही तो हो गया. सो यू कैन इवन पास अ शॉर्टकट वे, दैट विल बी P&L appropriation account debited to write the partner's name. मतलब P&L appropriation account बनाते हुए you can write on the debit side to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital, और ब्रैकेट में एग्जामिनर को बता देना it is for interest on capital. Or you can write to interest on capital, or you can write further by putting the different slash in front of that slashes. You will be writing the name of the partners, right? So till now, if you are having any confusion, you can send me your queries in my chat box. Otherwise, I am proceeding to the next. First, I took the profit from my P&L account. I transferred it to the P&L appropriation account. Then I made the first appropriation. Now all the appropriations will be having the same entry, only the narrations will get changed. For example, if I am paying salary to A, तो entry क्या आएगी? Salary account debited. Salary is also one of the appropriation because salary paid to the manager is a charge, but salary paid to a partner is always an appropriation, right? So what entry I will be passing? Salary account debited to, yes, what you have to write to partner's capital, and hereby I am assuming I am paying it to A. So I will be writing, फिर से फंडा क्लियर हो गया, पार्टनर को कुछ भी देना है तो उसकी कैपिटल में क्रेडिट करना है. सो एंट्री क्या बनी? सैलरी अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू A's कैपिटल, राइट? देन This salary is an appropriation, so that's why I am supposed to transfer it to the P&L appropriation account on its debit side. Being salary due होगा by narration. It's not being paid. Being salary due to A. नाम लिख दीजिए चाहे पार्टनर का, नरेशन में नहीं भी लिखेंगे तो एंट्री मेरे को बता रही है कि ये कोई तो ड्यू हुई है. Being salary due. Now transfer this salary to the P&L appropriation account as I did earlier. एंट्री क्या बनेगी? Profit and loss appropriation account debited to salary. Being salary transferred to P&L appropriation account. That will be your narration. Similarly, if commission comes, you will be debiting commission to, for example, C को commission मिल रही है, so you will be passing the entry commission account debited to C's capital, being commission due. Then second entry related to commission, you will be passing in the same manner P&L account debited to commission, right? Now, I have arrived at the last point whereby I am distributing the profit among my partners. I am assuming I have 3 partners in the equation. So, I will be distributing the profit among them. Profit and loss appropriation account debited to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. Being profit distributed among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. For example, the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. About that ratio, you will be writing in your narration, right? Till now, if any of you have any doubt, you may ask. Any doubt to anyone, you may ask. Do you want to ask anything? Yes, students. What I was discussing with you. That we have 2 types of capitals, capital method. One is what? When the capitals are fluctuating capital method. And second is fixed capital method. What is the meaning of these 2 methods? Fluctuating capital method का मतलब है capital will get changed. What is the meaning of capital will get changed? Anything which we are giving to the partner in the form of appropriation that will directly go to their capital. क्योंकि उन्होंने रूल ही बनाया हुआ है कि capital can change. ठीक है? Any salary we are giving to a partner that will be added to his capital will get inflated. Anything we are taking from the partner, like in the form of drawings, the capital will get deflated. If we are giving them profit, they will be adding it to their capital. But once in the question he said that the capitals are fixed, capital are the fixed, then he says opening capital will remain same. Capital will remain same. It will not get changed. जितनी कैपिटल आपको क्वेश्चन में हर पार्टनर की गिवन होगी, that will not get changed. It means कि फिर appropriation की एंट्री में जब मैं लिखती हूँ interest on capital account debited to partners capital, I will not write because the capitals are fixed. In that case, I need to open an account which we will open an account which we call current account. So all the entries are related to appropriation. We will be putting to their current account. Because he himself has said that the capitals are going to be same. But even if the capitals are fixed, even then 2 transactions I will be putting to their capital account. अगर capital fixed भी है, तो भी हम 2 transactions उसके capital account में ही डालेंगे. That no appropriation I will put to the capital account. For that I will be opening the current account. I will tell you how that accounts are to be opened. But before that, you should come to know if the capitals are fixed, even then we will be putting 2 things in their capital account, that is withdrawal of the capital. अगर वो अपनी ही capital को withdraw कर लेता है, उसका कुछ part, if a portion of his own invested capital, that partner is withdrawing, then that withdrawal of capital I will be writing on the debit side of his or her capital account. And if he brings additional capital, that is what we call additional capital introduced. Additional capital introduced. Additional means अगर वो नई capital invest करता, ठीक है, तो भी उसकी capital ही क्या होगी, बढ़ेगी. इट मीन्स कि फिक्स कैपिटल होने के बावजूद भी अगर वो नई कैपिटल लेके आता है, वी विल बी एडिंग इट टू हिज कैपिटल अकाउंट. If he is withdrawing his capital, then we will be deducting his capital. Rest all entries I will be passing with current account. So again, I will be passing the entries for the distribution and appropriation of the profit, but this time I will be assuming capitals are fixed. Till now, any doubt about anything you may ask? Any doubt to anyone you may ask? Profit and loss appropriation account. When the capitals are fixed, the first entry will remain same for transfer of profit from P&L account to P&L appropriation account, right? So that entry, again I'm repeating, profit and loss account debited to profit and loss, which account? Appropriation. Being profit transferred from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account, right? Then the second entry I told you about interest on capital. This time again I will be debiting interest on capital. Interest on capital, but instead of crediting partners capital account, I will write partners current. For example, again I have the three partners, so I will be writing their three current accounts. Current accounts which gets changed, and that are the temporarily opened accounts, and that are only to be opened when the capitals are fixed. In our Viva examiner used when the current accounts are being opened. When in the question clear-cut instructions are there that the capitals are to be taken as fixed. If the capitals are fixed, then only the current accounts are being opened, right? I'm assuming again I have three partners. So let me assume this time their name from your class. Aman's capital account. Okay. Then Lagan's capital account. No, it's not capital account. It's current account. I intentionally wrote capital. Okay. You will also write capital even if the capitals are fixed. You will be opening this time. This is post of ES. You will be writing it current account. Then Lagan's current account. Then we can write Akriti's current account. Right? So when the capitals are fixed, you will be passing all the entries with the help of current account except two entries when he or she is withdrawing the capital. When he or she is introducing further or additional capital into the business, then only the capitals will get changed. Otherwise, capital account will remain same when there is a clear-cut instruction in the question that the capitals are fixed. Now, transfer entry. What will be the transfer entry for interest on capital? Already discussed with you. That was, yes, P&L appropriation account debited to interest on capital. P&L profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital. पहली entry का narration being interest on capital due. दूसरी entry का narration being interest on capital transfer to P&L appropriation account. And so on. Similarly, you will be passing the entry salary account debited. For example, only Lagan is getting salary. He is the working partner in our firm. So I will be calling it not Lagan's capital account. I will be calling it or putting it into the current account of Lagan. This is what to Lagan's current account, right? So what will be the entry now? Salary account debited to Lagan's current account. Any doubt till now to anyone you may ask? Yes, any doubt, any query you may ask except my personal